Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my third Eid look for 2019. I went for a very easy look again with a brown eyeshadows with a pop of glitter on the liner as well. And like I said in my outro, which was at the end, is you can actually pair this eye colour, eye makeup, what you want to use, this eye makeup with any lip colour, because it is that simple and that easy. If you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. I'm gonna go into Jaclyn Hill's palette. So for this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill's original palette, and I want to go with all the brown colours, which is why I've chosen this one. If my forehead looks a bit dry, please excuse it, it's just very dehydrated and dry skin is playing havoc right now. Right, so I don't know what the shades names are to these. I'm just gonna have to point to each shade. So I've already primed my primed my lids with my MAC paint pot. I'm gonna go in with a dark brown to begin with first. So I'm gonna go into this one right here. Oh, closed. So I'm gonna go into that one first, and I'm going to just pack that into the crease like so. So what I'll do is I'll do one eye on camera, so like this eye here, and then I'll do the other one off camera just to save some time. So I'm just going in and packing in that shade. So what I'm envisioning for this look is quite a brown bronzy kind of look, and just finishing off with like a glitter liner. That's the theme. If my camera looks a bit wonky, or the film footage, whatever you want to call it, it's because my ring light stand has decided to go on the slant today. Quite rude if you ask me, but I'm just rolling with it. It is what it is. So now I'm just going to go in and just blend this out, just to soften up the edges. And I'm working this quite high up to my brow bone as well, but I will go in with another colour just to diffuse underneath the brow bone. So while I've got that colour on this brush, I'm going to apply this on the lower lash line as well, and just smoke it out. I want this colour to be very blown out like that. And then I'm going to pick up a smaller brush to work that into the actual crease of the eye. So I'm going to pick up a darker one this time, and I'm going to go in, oh, so hard. I'm going to go into this one right there, and I'm going to pick this up on a Morphe 433 brush. Just coat my brush with that shade, and I'm going to look back a bit and apply this straight into the crease, but also a bit above the crease as well. And this will help to just bring the eye look the eyes look a bit more wider and bigger as well, because I don't want it to look too flat. I'm applying the majority of the shade on the outer corner of the eye, and then when I've got less product on my brush, I'll then slowly bring it in towards the inner. I might do as well actually is whatever's left on the brush from the first shade that we had, I'm just gonna apply that onto the lids. I'm actually picking up more now, and I'm just gonna use this brush just to blend everything in. I'm gonna pick up the lighter shade, however they're quite shimmery. So what I'm gonna do is just pick up my face powder. So this is just the MUA powder, and I'm going to apply this underneath my brow bone just to bring back some light, because there's not really a matte shade I can use under my brows. There is one, but it's quite dark and peachy. Then I'm just going to go in and blend again. So once I'm happy with that, I'm now going to go in and use the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner to tightline my upper lash line. And what this will do is just hide away any skin that may be showing. Now I'm gonna line, I don't know why I made that face. Now I'm gonna line my lash line with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And I do want to create like a little wing with this. However, I've not done wings in a while. Is it when you mess up your wing, you just go bigger and bigger and bigger. I kind of wish it was more of a slant, but I guess this is what we're going to work with. So for the glitter, I'm going to go in with Urban, oh my god, I've not used mine in a while. I hope it's alright. We'll shake it. I'm going to go in with Midnight Cowboy for the glitter liner. Because what I want to do is put glitter liner like above the black liner. Might look horrible, but we shall find out. So I might be a bit quiet when I do this bit, because I don't want to mess it up really. I think what the easiest thing would be is to keep dipping in. So you get the glitter on there. Oh, spackles. I might have to do, I might not actually, it looks alright. I thought I would need to go back in with that black liner just to define it. I might not, but we'll see how we go. We'll see. So I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. So while that's drying, I'll just go and do my other eye and finish off like mascara and eyeliner and everything like that, and then I'll come straight. So I'm back and I've done the other eye. So this is what the eyes look like. So I did put some inner corner highlight from my Jeffreestar 24 carat palette, and I use this one here, which is Sarcophagus, just to give it that bright inner corner. And because this look is very neutral, I thought I'd go for a red lip this time. I do want to let you know as well, when I was letting the Urban Decay eyeliner dry, when it fully dried, it was quite hard for me to go over with the black liner. So when it was a bit wet, that was the best way of doing it. So that's what I would do. I don't know if mine's like out of date. It's very runny inside. I don't know. Is it out of date if it's very runny? Could somebody let me know? It's just very runny. Or is it meant to be like that? I've never noticed it before. So anyway, let's go in with the lips. So like I said, I've gone in with Jeffreestar's Redrum, which is this red colour. So I'm going to apply this onto my lips. So I do overdraw my lips a little bit. So the places that I overdraw is literally straight under here and also around the Cupid's bow. I try to keep my natural lip line as they are, because I want my lips to look a bit more pouty, like in the middle of the eye, in the middle of the lips. So this basically is my final look. I'm quite happy actually with how this one actually came out. You can wear this one really anytime you want to, so it could be Eid, or if you're going to a party or an occasion. It's very simple, because all I used technically is just 2 eyeshadows. It would have been 3 if I had like a matte, a really light matte in here, but there wasn't. The one I was talking about, which was the lightest matte, really was this one right here. And I don't think that would have helped with brightening underneath the brow. What I'm gonna actually do, shall we just apply a little of the shiny one. So this is the first shade in the palette. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this under here. And what this will do is lift the brow bone. So this, oh my hair is in my face. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, why is my hair so static right now? Oh, so annoying. So this basically is the look, guys. So as you can see, it's just a simple, easy brown eyeshadow that was used, and then I used my black liner, and on top of it I put the glitter liner from Urban Decay. And you can pair this eye colour with any lip colour that you want to as well, because it is that very neutral. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hopefully I'll see you all soon. Bye.